ABT presents A1 Level Conversations.
When is your birthday? Hello, everyone. Today we are going to play a little game in class. I am going to guess my students' birthdays. Birthdays are always special. They tell us about the day, the month, and even the season. Let's begin. First, I look at Maria. I ask, "Is your birthday in winter?" She smiles and says, "No, it is not in winter." Then I ask, "Is it in spring?" She says, "Yes, it is in spring." Now I try to guess the month. I ask, "Is it in April?" She laughs and says, "Yes, it is April 12th. Great." Now I look at David. I ask, "Is your birthday in summer?" He says, "Yes, it is in summer." So I continue, "Is it in July?" He shakes his head and says, "No, it is not July." I ask again, "Is it in August?" He says, "Yes, it is August 3rd. Perfect." Then I look at Sophia. I ask, "Is your birthday on a Monday?" She says, "No, it is not on a Monday." I ask again, "Is it on a Friday?" She says, "Yes." Now I try the month. "Is it in November?" She says, "Yes. It is November 25th on a Friday." Excellent. Finally, I ask Carlos. I say, "Is your birthday in autumn?" He says, "No, it is not in autumn." I ask again, "Is it in winter?" He says, "Yes." I try one more question. "Is it in December?" He says, "Yes. It is December 30th. Amazing." So today we use days, months, and seasons to talk about birthdays. Every answer is fun. Every guess is exciting. This activity helps us practice time, dates, and celebrations. And of course, it makes us smile. Thank you for guessing birthdays with me today.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our website or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.